No disturbance should be there. Write the question. Question. Write in maths notebook. Write in maths notebook. Read the following number. Read. Right. Read the following number. Read the following number. Read the following number. Yes. Write in maths notebook. Read the following number 43, comma 27, comma 56, comma 819. This number is given. Write this. Start writing. Our period has started. Read the following number 43, comma 27, comma 56, comma 819, and wait, and also write the expanded form. Also write the expanded form. Read the following number and write the expanded form. Read the following number and write the expanded form. So we are given this number 43, 27, 56, 819. This number 43, 27, 56, 819. This number is divided into 4 groups. This is ones, then comma, then thousands, comma, then lakhs, comma, then crores. So this number is divided into 4. Yes. See. Yes. 43, 27, 56, 819. Let me explain if you want. This number is divided into 4 groups. 819, this is group of ones, then 56 group of thousands, 27 group of lakhs, and this is 43 crores. So group is divided, number is divided into 4 groups. Ones, thousand, lakhs, crores. So 3 digit, then 2 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit. So such type of numeration is Indian system of numeration. Yes, such type of numeration is Indian system of numeration. Now I will write Indian place value chart. Because it is given in Indian system of numeration. I will write Indian place value chart. Yes. Write Indian place value chart. Indian place value chart. Yes. Indian place value chart. We have to write this number first. Indian place value chart. We have to write the period. And place. Period. Right. Period, place. Aligning also. Period, place. We have to write first because this number is divided into 4 groups. Ones, thousand, lakhs, crores. So this is Indian system of numeration. For Indian system of numeration, we write the number in Indian place value chart. Indian place value chart, we have ones. Then we have thousands, ones, then thousands, then we have, yes, we have lakhs. Screen is not clear. In my mobile it is clear, crores. In mobile it is clear, my mobile. So if, see, you can keep your mobile phone horizontally. Once there are three digits, ones, tens, 100. Then thousand, there are two digits, 1000, then 10,000, 10,000. Lakhs, we have two digits, lakhs, then 10 lakhs. Then crores, we have crore and 10 crore. Now I will place this number. In Indian place value chart. So it is, yes, you have to write, because you have to, where if there is one digit means it is ones. So it is divided into four groups: ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. So it is Indian system of numeration. For reading and writing that in the expanded form, you have to first place that number in Indian place value chart. This is the one position. Ones 9, then tens 1. Yes. Then 8, then 1006, then 5, then 7, then 2, then 3, then 4. So now, yes, you have to make the box and place this number in that Indian place value chart. You have to write down that number first in the Indian place value chart, and then we have to read. First you have to write this number in Indian place value chart. See here, if this number is written in Indian system of numeration, so it is written in Indian system of numeration, so I will place this number in Indian place value chart. Now we read this number. Reading this number first. We read this number. First we read this number. Yes, write down this. After this, I will write there, reading. What is position of 4? Yes, there is 4. 4 is in 10 crore. 3 is in crore. So these two digits, 43, 4 and 3, they are in crores. 4 is at 10 crore. 4 is at 10 crore. 4 is at 10 crore. 3 is at crore. So 4 is at 10 crore means it is 43 crores. 43 crores. We write 43 crores. 43 crores. We write 43 crores. Then yes, where is 2? Where is 2? 2 and 7, they are in lakhs. 2 is at 10 lakhs. 2 is at 10 lakhs, so this is 20 lakh, and 7 lakh, it is 27 lakhs. 27 lakhs. 27 lakhs. 27 lakhs. 27 lakhs. This 2 is at 10 lakh, so it is 20 lakh. 7 is in lakh, so 27 lakhs. Now next, 5 is in 10,000, 6 is in 1000. So these two digit 56, they are in 1000. So this is 5 in 10,000, so this is 50,000 and this is 6,000. So 56,000, 56,000, 56,000, 56,000, and then 8 is at 100, so 800, and then 1 is at 10, so 10 and 9, so 819, 819, 800, 800, 819, 819. In this way we read the number. $56,819. Yes. So using Indian place value chart, we read the number. Keep the microphone off. Yes. Ask the question. See. No, see, if there is no comma in this number, you will not come to know whether it is Indian system of numeration or international system of numeration. Is it clear? So when comma is there, I can identify whether it is given in Indian system of numeration or international system of numeration. Now this number is given in Indian system of numeration, so I will place this number in Indian place value chart, and then I will read the number. So this comma makes you to identify whether it is given Indian system of numeration or international system of numeration. Is it clear? Yes, that much only, because you have to write expanded form. Further we have to write the expanded form of this. We have to write the expanded form. We have to write expanded form. So write expanded form. Expanded form of this number. We have to write. The number is 43 crores 27 lakhs 56,819. Now let us write this. 4. What is position of 4? 4 10 crores. 4 10 crores. So we write 4 10 crores. 4 10 crores. Wait. Directly we don't write 40. We write 4 10 crores plus no. That we put at the last. First we read that. 4 10 crores plus 3 1 crore plus 3 1 crore 3 1 crore 3 1 crores plus 4 10 crore plus 3 1 crore plus 2 10 lakh plus 2 10 lakhs plus 2 10 lakhs plus 2 10 lakhs plus 2 10 lakhs plus 7 1 lakh plus 7 1 lakh plus 7 1 lakh plus, yes, now it is clear. 7 1 lakh plus 5 10,000, 5 10,000, 5 10,000, 5 10,000 plus 6,000 plus 6 1,000, 6 1,000 plus 5 800. Now it is clear. Yes. See here, this is 3. See the position 3. Where it is 3? In crore. Crore is same as 1 crore. Crore is same as 1 crore. 100 is same as 100. See, crore is same as, no, it is there, no, 3 1 crore. 3 1 crore. Now write, plus after 6 1,000 what you will write? 800, 800, 8 100, 8 100 plus 1 tenths, 1 tenths plus 9 ones, 9 ones, right? We are writing the expanded form. So 4 10 crores plus 3 1 crore plus 2 10 lakhs plus 7 1 lakh plus 5 10,000 plus 6 1,000 plus 8 100 plus 1 tenths plus 9 ones. Now we write, I am writing there, we'll write this, after this you will write there, I am writing here, so this is 4 into 10 crores, so 4 into 10 crore, after 4 there are how many digits? Yes, tell me, 4 into 10 crores, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we write 1 crore, 4 into 10 crore, there will be 8 digits, 10 crores, 4 10 crore means 4 into 10 crore. So 4 into 10 crore, after 4 there are how many digits? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That 0 will be there, 8 0 will be there. 8 0 will be there. Now I will put the comma. After 3, then 2, then 2, it is 10 crore. Plus 3 into 1 crore. 3 into 1 crore. After this 3, there are how many digits? After 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 0 will be there in 1 crore. 1, then 7 0. 4, 5, 6, 7. We put the comma. 3, then 2, then 2. Indian system of numeration. 3, 2, 2, 2, comma. Plus 2 10 lakhs. Plus 2 into 10 lakhs. After 2 there are how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 lakhs will have 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put the comma. 3, then 2. This is 10 lakh. 2 10 lakhs. Plus 7, 1 lakh. So after 7, there are how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 lakh will have 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mute the microphone, please. Plus 7 1 lakh plus 5 10,000. 5 10,000. After 5 there are how many digits? After 5 1, 2, 3, 4. 10,000 will have 4 zeros. 2, 3, 4. We put the comma. 10,000 plus 6 1,000. After 6 there are 3 digits. So 6 into 1,000. 1,000. 3 zeros. Plus 8 into 100. After 8 there are 2 digits. So 8 into 100. 2 zeros. Plus 1 into tens means 1 into 10. 1 into 10. After 1 there is 1 digit. I will write 1 0. Plus 9. 9 into 1s. 9 into 1s means 1. 9 into 1. So further we write. Yes, please mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. No disturbance should be there. So 43, 27, 56, 819. This number, now we are writing the final. 4 into 10 crores. 4 into 1, 4. 4, then how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 into 10 crore, 40 crore. 8 zeros. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put the comma. 3, 2, 2. 40 crores. 4 into 10 crores. Plus 3 into 1 crore. 3 into 1, 3. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We put the comma. 3, 2, 2. 3 crores. Plus 2 into 10 lakhs. So 2 into 1, 2. Then how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros. 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, then 2, then 2. It is 20 lakhs. Plus 7 into 1 lakh. 7 into 1, 7. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We put the comma. 3, then 2, 7 lakhs. Plus 5 into 10,000. 5 into 1, 5. Then 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 50,000. Plus 6 into 1,000. 6,000. 6 into 1, 6. Then 3 zeros. We put the comma after 3 digit. 6,000 plus 8 into 100, 800. Yes, plus 1 into 10. 1 into 10, 10. Plus 9 into 1, 9. So now this is the final. This is the expanded form, final expanded form of this number. This is the expanded form. This is the expanded form. Yes, yes, don't, no discussion, no discussion. See, See, there is no shortcut method. Shortcut method and writing method both are different. Writing will give you marks. Shortcut is there for understanding. But whenever you have to write this expanded form, first you have to place that number in the Indian place value chart. From Indian place value chart, we write this form, and then at the end we write this. So don't try to write directly. First you have to place this number in the Indian place value chart, and this is the final expanded form. So we have seen we are given a number in Indian system of numeration, and it was asked read that number. No, not right. This is the final answer. I am explaining what we have done. What we have done, we were given a number in Indian system of numeration. So we have placed that number in Indian place value chart. From Indian place value chart, we have read that number and written the expanded form. So student, try to finish early so that I can give few problem for practice. Write fast. Write fast so that I can give few problem for practice. Yes. Others also let's give some time. Finish fast. So now write few problem for practice. Write question for homework. This part is over. This part. Homework. You write the homework. Rate the following number. Rate the following numbers and write the expanded form. And write the expanded form of that number. So now I am writing there up. This part is over. These 3 lines. Yes, every student. Okay. Now write the numbers. I am giving you some numbers. You have to first read that number. You have to write that reading part and then writing that number in the expanded form. So first number 35, 67, 89, 194. First number. Now second, you have to read this number. Then second, 40, 53, 20, 140. Then third, yes, sir, these are homeworks. Then 32, 04, 35, 930. So 3 problems I had given on the board. Should I give one more? One more. Yes. Are no such comment. Let me give one more. Let me give one more. Write fourth. Let me give fourth one as difficult one. You have to try. Fourth one will be difficult one. 30, 20, 48, 208. All these numbers, they are given in Indian system of numeration, because Indian system of numeration, the numbers are divided into 4 groups: ones, thousand, lakhs, crores. So 4 group means it is Indian system of numeration. So you have to write that number first in Indian place value chart. Last problem I have marked star means if you are not alert, you will definitely going to make a mistake. So star means it is, you have to be very much alert and solve that problem. Last one. So all these are given in the Indian system of numeration. So you have to first place that number in Indian system of numeration, and then you have to read and write the expanded form. Yes, I am able to see the board clear. We are able to see the board. We are able to see the board clear. Very much clear it is. Yes. Very much clear.